Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2020 Toyota RAV4 with some great exterior features that include roof rails and 17-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got gray cloth interior. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise. This RAV4 comes with 94,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you've got your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with some vehicle information and your backup camera. Right below that you have your climate controls, followed by your heated seat switches and your outlets at the bottom. Right beside our gear shifter here, you also have alternate drive and terrain modes, which show up on the dash screen. Taking a look at the back seats, you've got two fold-out cup holders along with an outlet at the back of your center console and a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. The back of this RAV4 comes with a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2020 Toyota RAV4 with some great interior features that include heated seats, along with alternate drive and terrain modes. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.